Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time seeing this beautiful face, consider subscribing, like this video and comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you beginner starter kit, beginners makeup starter kit, what you need to start doing makeup at home for your clients, or just makeup, what you need, essentials. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you need in your collection, when makeup is concerned, you need a good primer. And there are so many primers, different primers. There's the for the oily, for dry, and for combination face. So what you need to do is to know what your face type or your skin type, then you can be able to make a decision on which primer to buy. So I'll be reviewing, or I'll be telling you about this primer. It's very affordable, by Kiss Beauty. This primer fades the pores. So if you have those large pores and you don't want to do your makeup, but it seems like, what can I say, when you have large pores, then you apply foundation, it doesn't look cute. So if you want to prevent that, use a good primer. So the first essential for your kit is a good primer. A good primer comes in handy, I'm telling you. And most primers are oily base. Like this one is an oily base primer, and as you can see, the consistency is like an oil. Yeah, so after you apply the primer on your face, then you apply the foundation. The second product you need in your kit is a good foundation. You need a good foundation if at all you are a makeup person, you need a good foundation for every day. If you're not a makeup person, you need a good foundation for that day, maybe a wedding, an event, or a date. You need a good foundation. I recommend Maybelline Fit Me or Maybelline Superstay. They are best. Maybelline is the best so far, because it is first of all, this one Fit Me is lightweight, and lightweight at the same time is full coverage, and the Superstay is full coverage. If you're going for the full beat face beat, you need the Superstay. So I have the Superstay. Sorry, mine is a bit dirty, but I have the Superstay and I have the Fit Me. These two foundations, I would recommend Maybelline. This one goes for 1050. This one goes for 1800. So if you don't have a foundation in your kit, you can start with this 1050, affordable. Okay, the third thing you need is a concealer. Mine is dark. Of course it's dark. I had two for in color fawn, and this one is dark cocoa. I had to fawn. Unfortunately it's over, because your girl here loves makeup. So for concealer, you can get Illegal. I would recommend Illegal. Very affordable. I got this at 450, I guess, or 500 shillings. Yeah, so you need concealer for two things. One, either to highlight after you apply your foundation, or the other one, either to conceal your dark spots, and maybe the darker one to contour. So you really need the concealers in your kit. The fourth product you need in your kit, and this fun product that you can even use it like it is without the rest, is your powder. You need your powder, and you need your compact and your loose powder. So I was using Maybelline, but it's over. Yeah, so I bought Zara. I was trying this new brand, Zaron, not Zara, sorry, Zaron, and so far I like it because it's affordable. I think I got this at 750. but the Maybelline one is around 1050 to 1200 depending on where you're buying. So I would recommend Zaron if you have ever heard of the brand, or if you don't know about Zaron, it's a good product. So for the compact, you can use this, and it comes with different range of shades. So if you are on deep side tan or something, you'll get your shade. The other powder I would recommend is translucent powder by Black Apple. So this translucent powder is good for baking under your eyes. If you're a makeup artist, I would really recommend a translucent powder because one, it has no color. That means you can apply a darker person and a lighter person in one foundation. The other thing, it can bake under the eye. So in one loose powder, you can do anything that you want with it. Okay, so I recommend this. If you are looking for translucent powder, kindly try Black Opal. It won't disappoint you. The other product I would recommend for a beginner is a mascara. Mascara elevates your eye look. It gives you that bold lashes. You don't need to use the lashes. For a beginner, you don't need to use the lashes. You can just use a mascara and it will give you volume to your lashes. Okay, so a good mascara will be essential in your kit. The other two products I would recommend is good liquid lipstick, and I would recommend you buy one bold color and one nude color. With those two, you can be able to manipulate the look, different look anytime. So here I have a red liquid lipstick, and I have a nude liquid lipstick. Kindly, if you want to buy liquid lipstick, just buy a bold and a nude, and you're good to go. The other product I would recommend is the angle brush for shaping your eye, for cleaning your eyebrows when you are doing your eyebrow makeup, and an eye pencil or gel. But for gel, for beginner, is a bit tricky. That's why I would recommend an eye pencil. Very easy. And by the way, I have a tutorial on eyebrow. If you want to know how to do your eyebrows, kindly, I will link the video down below. I would really recommend an eye pencil for your eyebrow because it's very easy to use. It's affordable. By the way, it's about 30 shillings or 50 shillings, I don't know. It's very affordable. So I recommend an angle brush, so, and then a pencil. So the next product that you need in your starter kit as a makeup artist, or you want to start the makeup game, your tools, the brushes and the beauty sponge. You need a foundation brush, you need a powder brush, and you need eyeshadow brushes. You don't need a whole pack of brushes, just need essentials: one, foundation, powder, and eyeshadow, and you're good to go. Then after that, you can slowly build up your makeup tools. Okay, so this is what you need. And for the beauty sponge, you need a beauty sponge for your, maybe the concealing, for your concealer, and for blending. Yeah, so you need a sponge. Sorry, mine is already dirty. The other product I would recommend for your kit is a good lip balm for your lips. It's not every day that you feel like wearing lipstick. Sometimes you want your lips to breathe, and just apply a lip balm or a lip gloss and you're good to go. So I would recommend a good lip balm in your kit. The other product I would recommend for your kit is a good eyeshadow. A very simple eyeshadow. You don't need a 34 color eyeshadow. You just need very a simple eyeshadow palette like mine. This is my eyeshadow palette. It has all the colors that I want, and mostly on a everyday makeup I do a nude look, so you don't need those colors, blue, purple, all those colors, overwhelming colors. You just need a a palette that you'll be able even to put it in your bag. If you're traveling, if you're going to work, you can just put it in your bag. So you need a good palette for your eyes. This is very essential, guys. This is very essential. You need an eyeshadow in your kit, okay, to elevate or enhance that look. After all the makeup is done, you need a good bronzer. This is very good for your kit. It's not expensive, it's affordable, and I will recommend a bronzer because it highlights or it gives that glow for your final look. So I would really recommend a bronzer on your kit, okay. Okay, last but not least, you need a good setting spray. After all the makeup that you have applied, you need to set that face, you need to feel good, you need that makeup to last long. I would recommend Kiss Beauty setting spray for a beginner. Very affordable, and it sets the makeup very well. Let me demonstrate because I'm extra. So you just shake the bottle and you set your makeup. I'm telling you, it gives life to you, make you feel that freshness. So I would recommend a setting spray for your kit. Yeah, so you really need this setting spray for your kit, okay. Yeah, and all those are all the products that you need. They're not many, they're not overwhelming. You can buy one at a time. You don't need to buy everything at a time. You can buy one at a time. Then at the end of the day, you will be having your products and your kits. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope it has helped you. If you're looking out for makeup essentials or to build your kit, I hope it has helped you. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. I am uploading videos every day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next time, bye bye. Until next time.